What counts as privileged information during discovery? Imagine you're in a courtroom, and not everything can be shared freely. Some information is protected to keep certain relationships and conversations private. During the discovery process, understanding what counts as privileged information is key. This step is part of pre-trial procedures where both sides gather evidence. Privileged information helps protect sensitive details from being handed over to the opposing party. The most common type is attorney-client privilege. This means any communication between a client and their lawyer made to seek or give legal advice stays confidential. It covers emails, letters, or even a quick chat. The rule applies whether or not the lawyer ends up representing the client. The goal is to let clients speak openly with their attorneys without fear that their words will be used against them later. Another important privilege is called the work product doctrine. This protects materials created by or for an attorney in preparation for a case. It includes notes, legal strategies, or mental impressions. Ordinary work product might sometimes be shared, but opinion work product, like an attorney's thoughts or legal theories, are almost always protected. This ensures attorneys can prepare their case without revealing their secret strategies. There is also the common interest privilege. This applies when two or more parties share a legal interest and communicate about their case. Even if they have different lawyers, their shared conversations remains protected. This encourages collaboration without losing confidentiality. Certain other privileges are recognized by law, such as spousal privilege or doctor-patient confidentiality. These are specific to particular relationships and are protected by statutes. For example, a spouse cannot be forced to testify against their partner, and doctors cannot disclose patient information without consent. When claiming privilege during discovery, the party must clearly state it and provide a privilege log. This log describes what is being withheld and why, without revealing the protected content. Courts review these logs to decide if the privilege claim is valid. If the description is vague or incomplete, the court might order the information to be disclosed. The purpose of these privileges is to balance the need for evidence with protecting sensitive communications. Privileged information cannot be shared unless the privilege is waived or an exception applies. Courts do not create new privileges beyond what law explicitly states. In practice, attorneys and parties must carefully identify and safeguard privileged information. This helps keep confidential communications and attorney work protected. Proper handling of privileged information maintains the integrity of the legal process and respects the relationships involved.